Vortex mixers are versatile laboratory tools used for mixing and homogenizing liquid samples. Understanding their typical applications can help determine if they are suitable for your specific experimental needs. Let's explore some common uses. Sample preparation. Vortex mixers are commonly used for preparing samples before analysis. They can mix reagents with samples to ensure uniformity, which is crucial for accurate results. Cell lysis. In cell biology research, vortex mixers are used to lyse cells, breaking them open to release their contents. This step is essential for extracting proteins, DNA, and RNA from cells. Chemical reactions. Vortex mixers facilitate chemical reactions by ensuring that reactants are well mixed. They can speed up the reaction kinetics and improve the yield of the desired product. Homogenization. For samples that require thorough mixing to achieve a homogeneous solution, vortex mixers are ideal. They can effectively disperse solids in liquids or mix two immiscible liquids. Quality control. Testing. In industries such as pharmaceuticals and cosmetics, vortex mixers are used for quality control testing. They help ensure the consistency of formulations and the uniform distribution of ingredients. Environmental analysis. In environmental science, vortex mixers are used to mix water samples with reagents for analyzing pollutants and contaminants. Clinical diagnostics. In clinical laboratories, vortex mixers are used to prepare samples for diagnostic tests, including blood tests and urine analyses. By understanding these typical applications, you can evaluate whether a vortex mixer is appropriate for your experimental setup. Consider factors such as the type of samples you work with, the desired level of mixing intensity, and any specific requirements related to temperature or timing. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.